Alright, hey guys, it's Cole, and today we'll be graphing the rational function x squared plus 6x plus 8 over x squared take away 4. And to start off, we're just going to want to start by factoring the equation. So we're going to get x plus 4, x plus 2 over x take away 2 over x plus 2. And we can already tell that there's going to be a whole right off the bat. And then just doing a little switch, we're going to know that there's a whole at x equals negative 2. And then what we're going to want to do next is we're going to want to find the y coordinate for the whole. So we're going to take the negative 2 and we're going to put it into our factored equation. So we're going to get negative 2 plus 4 over negative 2 take away 2, which is going to equal negative 1 over 2, which is going to give us the points negative 2x, negative 1 over 2y. And then next we're going to want to find the vertical asymptote. And the vertical asymptote is pretty much whatever value we can put in here or in the denominator that makes the denominator equal 0. So that's going to be 2. So our vertical asymptote is going to be at x equals 2. And then next we're going to want to find the horizontal asymptote. And to do that, we're going to want to set x to infinity and divide by the highest power of x. So as you can already see, I've gotten that started. So with x and infinity, these will eventually equal 0, 0, and 0. But we're left with x squared over x squared, and that over x squared over x squared. I know it sounds funny, which is going to be 1, 1. You get 1 over 1, which means our horizontal asymptote is going to be at y equals 1. All right, so now that that's done, we're going to want to try and find our x-intercept. So we're going to set y to 0. So we get 0 equals x plus 4 over x plus 2 over x minus 2, x plus 2. And just to get rid of the bottom denominator there, we're going to multiply both sides by x minus 2, x plus 2. And then we know that's going to equal 0, so we're left with x plus 4 and x plus 2. And to solve that for our x-intercept, we're going to x equals negative 4 just by doing the switch there. And then x equals negative 2, but wait, we can't do x equals negative 2 because it's a whole. Okay, so now that we have the whole coordinates, the vertical asymptote, the horizontal asymptote, the x and y intercepts. Ooh, sorry guys, I forgot the y intercepts. All right, so for the y intercepts, we are going to want to go y-intercept. And we're going to want to set x equal to 0. So we get f of 0 equals 0 squared plus 6 plus 8, oh, sorry, I'm kind of cramming it there, over 0 squared, take away 4, which actually gives us 8 over negative 4, which equals negative 2 for the, so we get 0, negative 2, which I'm kind of cutting into my graph there, my bad. And then next we're going to use a horizontal table of values, and we're going to want to determine the end behaviors of the graph. Okay, so the end behaviors of the graph I chose, and they have to be close to the I believe it's the vertical asymptote there. So I chose 1.99 and 2.01. And then when you plug those into your function for 1.99, I believe you get end behavior down there. And for 2.01, you get an end behavior up here. And then next, I'm going to choose really big x value. So you got x equals 1,000 and x equals negative 1,000. So at x equals 1,000, y is actually going to be 1.006, and at negative 1,000 it's going to be 0.994. And oh, sorry, wrong side there. My bad, guys. Just below the asymptote there. All right, and then I chose some additional points: 5, which is going to be at 3y, and then 4, which is going to be at 4y. All right, so we're just going to flip this over, just get the graph going. So we put our points on there. We have our holes at negative 2, negative 1, which is right there. Our x-intercept at negative 4, 0. Our y-intercept is at 0, negative 2, and our horizontal asymptote is at y equals 1, and our vertical asymptote is at x equals 2. And then I plot the points 4 and 4 and 5 and 3 for you there. So next we're just going to want to draw through this, and we're going to just kind of connect the dots to the best of our ability here. Sorry guys. And I end up with something that looks like that. And we're just gonna draw through here, right through our x-intercept, kind of just not through the hole, and through our y-intercept, and then we're just gonna come all the way down. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.